we moved and oh my god. Thank you. Is this raw bacon?
It is cooked prosciutto.
Continue on Black Creek Drive for 3 kilometers.
What is going on, beautiful people? Guys, welcome back to the vloggy vlog. Today we are going to a pop-up event for one of my friends, and we're gonna see what the vibe is, a good time, and we're dressed. You know we don't start this vlog unless we're in the car. So I'm gonna show you my full outfit later. We're doing casual sexy today. And you know we're doing the blonde because it is September, it is Virgo season, it's giving very much Beyonce. Okay, so that is the vibe that we're on. Probably will see mostly blonde looks for this month. Okay, and it's my mama. Say hi, mom. My personal chauffeur for this evening.
No, we're don't bring up any other season. Excuse me. Right now, we're gonna wait. Wait your turn. Soon approaching. We're gonna take over. Thank you. We're talking about now. We're gonna go to that's all we can summer. Like, girl, please. No hate. It's too much. We're starting our celebrations from now. No, it's actually. It's Virgo. We're doing it right now. We're doing it right now. Yes, Saturday. Oh, that's a lot of you. Wait, Kristen. Libra. I'm like, yes.
I'm here to hold on the Virgo gang. You know, I'm the only one here.
Oh yeah, how was your meeting?
It was so good. So everyone, I was surprised.
I forgot. I literally almost cried. Yeah, you went on a whole ass trip. I literally forgot because you're always traveling. How was it? Yeah, you were good. It was good. You got a drink. I'm gonna get to go. Excuse me. This is incredible.
Thank you so much. November 2021 was when it was released, so I was writing this pretty much throughout the beginning of the pandemic.
See, the pandemic really just changed people's lives, man. It was like, you know what? This is what I want to do.
Yeah,
this is
like,
what I want to do. Just love eating me.
Oh Jesus! I can't with you.
No, too much.
Look at this beauty right here.
My mom around the corner. Hey, Mom. What's her makeup? Oh, I'm crying.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this is the outfit for today. Yes. It's a little bit dark. Let me come closer to y'all. Y'all, today is Friday. It is the beginning of our long weekend. So this weekend in Toronto, it's Rolling Loud. And we got these tickets months ago. We get these tickets, you know, like May. are probably for me. Whenever they went on sale, we got them. And then we literally was gonna change our mind from going last week because it's like, it's September, the summer is done. It's like, why are we having a festival in September? But we decided to go anyway. So me, Simba, and my sister did us sleep in the car. You come like, baby, you just drop asleep with the car. Yeah, look at my lace. I swear I forgot how this lace was. I love this wig, but I have to do extra to lay the lace, and I forgot because I haven't worn it in a while. So it's a little bit bright. Like, I needed some bronzer on it to darken it and also to melt it down some more. But it's still cute. She's popping. It's like one of my favorite bobs. Traffic was horrible. So what we did is we parked somewhere downtown and we're walking through this underground path with stores and shit to go to the train station. Then we're gonna take the GO train and get to Exhibition Place, and a 20-minute walk to the concert. Yup, that's it. Now it's time for our 20-minute walk. 20 minutes.
What you doing? I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you. The type of dick to me. Let me see those hands.
Pockets on God, I purse it. This free game will learn it. Sounds like fun. I got a shortage, I'm no bum. Reach for my pearls and you're done. Reach for smileys, making me highly. Tryna go Kylie. I wake up finally, suffer in silence, waking up finally. I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. And I keep it with me just so that I'm feeling safe. It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. That's right.
I just be free, the price is not cheap. Fuck you, baby, I got booking fee plus VAT. I come on here, send a location. But burn up with your man and see. You got left home from young and you ain't got shit for your mom, oh my god.
In your think. Somebody wants to be in this. No, sir.
Ain't it fun?
There's no food at home.
Living in the real world.
No, we're missing days
Ain't
for
it
the
cool?
location.
If you send me a location, and I'll be right there. And make you come back to my baby. No time, no. And my bounce on probation. Another 5 years. I thought it was
It's
4.
5. Yeah. Learn the lyrics.
Yeah. The anxiety.
Location.
This year, more vacation. Flight catching.
Vacation. Cinema or probation.
We didn't stay for the entire festival because, yeah, the crowd, and Simba has a bad knee, so we couldn't stay too long. It was getting too much. At first it was cool. Babe, aren't you like 80% of the reason why who come out our crowd? And then Toronto men weird, but them have creepy men mentality. The men in Toronto, they're weird, they're strange. Them barely respect women. I mean, I can't even say them respect women because men will brush past women like I don't know. I remember this guy was passing me and he elbow, so like I moved this elbow like you're about to elbow me, and then he looked back at me and then continue walking. I can't stand Toronto men. So tomorrow Shanice is gonna go with her friends because Simba and I probably too old for this shit. Okay, we can't. Simba can't manage.
Thank you.
Simba can't manage the bouncing and thing. It's too hot. Too hot. It's too hot for a concert. Concerts super packed. People are sweat them front. Oh my god. The amount of time. Jesus. The amount of time I smell green
vocal about it
because I was frightened. I was
Mm-hmm.
frightened. We're only doing specialty concerts where it's like an artist going on tour or stuff like that where you have to buy seat tickets. That's the only concerts I'm doing. Festivals and all of that big shows, I can't do it. Cannot.
I went down. Oh. I don't know that clearly, you know. I was just there. I was like, who's Central C? And I, you know, I didn't see the man to it. Well, how can I be able to make anything? I'm trying to buy a car.
One, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Wait, I'm ready. Okay, come again. Come. 1, 2. It is my birthday. I am 28, 20 great, 28. It is the middle of the afternoon. Yesterday truly was the day but last night we went out. I dressed up real nice, real fancy. We went out to dinner, just the two of us, just enjoy ourselves. We took some pictures, just a vibe, you know what I'm saying? So but today is the actual day of my birthday and we are downtown right now. I know y'all probably used to me traveling on my birthday, but I'm like, you know what, we're gonna leave that for next month because I just came back from a trip and you know, adulting, a lot of responsibilities for September is just a headache. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna truly enjoy in October. We still have to spend the day real good, right? So we're going to this brunch spot, or not really a brunch spot, but we're going somewhere that we could, you know, just enjoy a little daytime eating and stuff, and then we're gonna go out later. Actually, Simba has all the plans. I'm just going with the flow because I really don't know what is happening. He's taking the lead and I'm here to follow. We're doing blonde for the day. Yes, get into it. I really didn't style this hair. It was a V part. I'm like, you know what, I don't feel like actually putting it in properly. I'm just gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna get out the car and go eat something because I'm hungry. Y'all know I gotta eat. I'm hungry. You think I always thought, well, you know, my vlog doesn't have to say Simba and album manners. I always come to my where do you think it means? Listen, nobody gonna make sushi like they're going to their Rainbow Cafe. That sushi was the best freaking sushi I've had. I pray this tastes good, but this just looks bland. Definitely probably raw stuff. I need to teach Simba how to use chopstick. You don't know how to use a chopstick. Look. Ooh, try it. Try it. No, you're gonna make the first time you have sushi, you're gonna have a raw sushi. Simba, you can't eat it like that. Are you fine?
Should I put it in my mouth?
You have to put the whole thing in your mouth. Been here less than an hour, so we're just gonna have these drinks and then we're gonna skedaddle. What's going on, Simba?
We're about to hang off this building. So,
Simba, I am not hanging off the CN Tower.
why not?
I am not doing that.
It's an experience.
I'm not.
So, today's birthday was supposed to be Operation Lift Up. What had happened was the helicopter tour got cancelled.
Guys, we have to go through a whole security to go on the CN. Right, can you believe Simba wants me to do this? Hang off the CN Tower? I don't think so. No.
Okay.
I want to live a lot.
You told me everything in stages.
Yeah.
So after we do this, maybe next year we can circle back?
I don't know. You're asking a lot. You're asking a whole lot.
Hello.
We are traveling 22 kilometers per hour toward our main observation level, 346 meters or 1,136 feet above the ground. If you haven't already, update your ticket on this level to access Skypod, the highest observation platform in the Western Hemisphere.
Siobhan, come. Come. Just come over here. Come.
What is it for? What
So
is
trust us. Relax.
Trust us with what? Can you feel me?
Babe, there's another layer of glass. This glass is so thick.
Oh my god, this is
Babe, this glass is so thick. Like it's too thick to even.
Oh, okay, enough of this.
Okay, wait. Mama, selfie from the sky.
I don't even like how it feels.
Cause you're thinking of it.
Why are you so high up?
Because I wanted to get like
You're not gonna
some
see
people are laid down. Instead. Okay,
Look on the beat.
Come. one last picture, please.
Hurry up.
Stoop. Just stoop, just please.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice.
I look crazy. Yesterday was my birthday, and honestly, all after we left that restaurant and we went to the CN Tower, when we were heading home to get ready to go to our intended destination, I think Simba was gonna take me to a restaurant. I don't even know which one, but God, my head was killing me. I had the worst headache and I hated to end the day, but I'm like, you know what, I don't feel good. And one time my mind told me to just stay home. We stayed home, And the thing is, afterwards I felt so bad, but it's like my head is hurting me. But I felt so bad because he got a custom made cake and chocolate covered strawberries, and then my mom came over and my sister came from work and Simba's brother, and they sang happy birthday to me. And then ooh, snot. That's not no smell it. And then it was so nice. Then my headache went away, but still I went to bed. Okay, like I went to bed, but I did have a good time. I didn't even want to vlog that part because it was so intimate, and you know, like certain things I just wanted for myself with my family. So I spent the day with my family and it was awesome. So anyways, I'm looking crazy. Well, not crazy, girl. This is my natural state. I'm looking cute. Alive. So my hair isn't done. My hair hasn't been washed in God knows how long, but I'm heading to my hairstylist right now, and we're going to get curly tape-ins. This is the first time I'm gonna do tape-ins. She's gonna wash my hair, blow dry, do all that extra things. I was gonna do it by myself, but I'm like, you know what, this is the first time I'm trying something like this. I want it to be professionally done before trying to attempt anything and then rip my hair out. So we are about to do that. So I called my Uber. It's supposed to be here. I'm like talking to y'all for the longest. Yeah, it's here. Oh my god, where's he going? See, so my Uber is here. I'm gonna take the camera back up when we get there. It's about a 40-minute drive. So I'm gonna connect with y'all when we get there. So yesterday y'all saw I got my tape-ins done. So this is my hair after a full day. I did a half up, half down, and I finished recording the video, so I have to go home and edit. So Simba and I are just in the streets right now. I'm trying to Simba, I wanted to go to the beauty supply store. I needed this mousse that she was using in my hair and I won't catch it. Yeah, I know, we're gonna get it tomorrow. I just remembered.
I'm going home and play 2K, my boy.
Because the mousse that she used, I have another mousse, but I don't think it's as good as the mousse that she used. I'm actually loving it. I can't wait to try like a twist out with it and all of that. Like, I'm gonna try to wear as long as possible. Y'all know I'm a hair content influencer, so I do a lot of hair stuff, so I don't get to wear styles for a long time, or as long as I would want sometimes. So we're gonna see how long we can have these in and see the different ways we can style it. Yo, we are in a new location. We moved, and oh my god, these last couple of weeks, the most stressful I've ever been in the longest time. I probably haven't even uploaded a video on my channel at this point in almost 2 weeks. Like, I'm struggling, okay? But you know, God gives some of the hardest work to his strongest soldiers. But we are here now. I am so excited that we got a new place. I'm in the process of unpacking. I'm trying to clean up. It's kind of dusty, so I'm trying to get the dust out. So for today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do as much as I can. Simba is at work, so all of the handy dandy things that needs to be done, I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to F it up. So I'm gonna leave those things for him. All I'm gonna do is like just disinfect, Lysol, dust out, try to arrange as much as I can for today. We haven't gotten Wi-Fi installed yet. Today is Tuesday and that's not happening until Saturday. No TV. Well, our TV is here, but I need to order a TV mount from Amazon to get that installed, and a couple light fixtures. I wanted to change that. It's just a whole lot, and we're just gonna go through the process together. But I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Like, y'all, you ever just look back on life and you be like, damn, the abundance of blessing is just something serious, because God knows leaving Jamaica 7 years This year will make 8 years since I've lived in Canada, and it's like every year I try to evolve myself more and more. Like, I know I worked hard to get to where I am. I know my mom helped, I helped my sister. Like, it's just crying tears when you see the 1 bedroom that we used to live in, all 3 of us together, just 7 years ago, and then we're here right now. Crazy. Like, my sister just bought her first car by herself at 18. Like, she worked non-stop for almost a year, saved her money. She's so financially responsible, and I'm so freaking proud of her at 18. That's just like, God did that. So a lot of times when I cry about stuff, like, things don't go how I think it should go, but God really has a different plan. He already has it all laid out, right? So what is meant for you will be for you. So I'm just grateful. Just grateful. Okay, the girl from what used to be my address? I don't even remember my address. But from 5 was Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica, in a 1 bedroom quad with me, Shanice, and Karen. And I'm here now. Got this on Amazon, and this is for the bathroom. So I'm gonna put this back. So it's like for like conditioner, shampoo, hair stuff, soap, my scrub, and all of that. So I'm gonna wait until Simba gets here to do that, because I want to make sure that it's done properly. So I'm gonna leave this for now. So I got more of these cylinder thingamajigs to like store stuff in. I got these from Amazon. y'all see the hair change? Do y'all see the hair change? I had the clip-ins, not the clip-ins, child, the tape-ins for 1 week, and I got so freaking bored. Y'all know I can't stay with a hairstyle, one hairstyle for too long. Like, I got bored with this blonde, so I'm like, okay, we're gonna do the tape-ins. Then I got bored with the tape-ins. I'm like, I need to be blonde again. Like, it's a problem. So I am heading out for a little girls' night dinner with Tamara. So we're heading downtown. It's like 40 minutes. Like, downtown. Huh?
You the people in your vlog.
The Aruba vlog definitely gonna go up before this. It's almost the end of September. Like, it's so bad. But my memory card, I don't know what's going on with my memory card with the Aruba videos that keep getting corrupted when I'm editing. So every time I have to re-edit, and it's 5 hours worth of footage that I'm trying to edit again and again. So I'm working on it. Okay. So anyway, so I'm heading to a little girls' night, and I don't understand. It's like 8 o'clock at night. The traffic downtown Toronto, no matter what time of day it is just freaking annoying. Like 8 o'clock, what is going on? So that's the vibe. We're doing all black today. I forgot the name of the place. When we get to the place, y'all will know the place.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I been really getting feel. You know why I'm here. Don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me in the moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Ay. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me.
We had dinner at, what is it called? Moretti. Ooh. Moretti Italian, or is it pizzeria? Something. It's an Italian restaurant. And then what was that? Then we walked until we ended up here at a Bisha Hotel.
This place looks familiar to you guys,
right? We've been here.
I just want to know why my phone came up. I don't know how
did that happen?
I don't know.
Anyway, so we took some pictures, chilling. Time to go home. It's like 1 o'clock, so on a Thursday. No, Tuesday. Somewhere out here, I don't know what's good at.
Okay, there we go.
So I'm tired. I know, like the cold weather. Yeah, like I lotion like
we
moisturized when I came out the shower. While I was doing my makeup, right before my leave the house. I'm not understand I'm moisturized. So it is getting cold and the air is dry, so therefore the skin will be drier.
Well, it's time for open toe shoot to
done, right? It's booties, and all type of. I'm ready for fall fashion still. I love fall fashion. I love the browns and nudes, and I love black in the fall too. You're gonna see me in a lot of black and brown. I already told you. Don't be surprised.
The neutral palette.
Okay,
sweetie. Zool.
Get with it. Get with it. Okay, so we're going because I feel like idiot can come. I'm gonna let them in my bed.
No shots tonight.
No shit. I'm gonna get a lemon drop. Me enough. We're gonna get lemon drop. I was gonna get a little white wine, you know, like lemon drop, cause my enough. Yes. Anyways, later, y'all. Hello, beautiful people. Who us? Mark.
M6.
Oh, M6
Mark.
Mark II. Wait, is it M6?
Yeah, M6 Mark II. Oh, the Canon. Wait, G7X, that's Canon, right? Yeah, I have that. Yeah, I have that one. I love it.
That one is good.
I carry this because it's multi-use as opposed to Sony, because this takes pictures and the flash and all of that. But like the Sony, like for just carry around is just so much more.
Is it because it's more compact and like light?
Yeah.
What about quality?
It does good quality, but once you have the right setting, it does good quality. It does.
Is this the one
you know what?
Pictures? Okay.
And you know what? It as opposed to this, it depends on the type of lens and the setting that you have with the Sony. It adjusts to every light setting on its own.
And it's quick autofocus.
Yeah, quick.
So this is the Canon. Is it Canon M6 Mark II? You know, I can't do with all the numbers and marks and the darks and all that.
Hey y'all. We are at a birthday party all white for Brittany. You guys probably seen her in a couple of my vlogs already. But yeah, we're here. We got Tamara with us.
Hi, the table's very wobbly.
And then we got new friends. Hey y'all. So yeah, so come on now, all white. You know, I'm gonna tell you something about Caribbean and African classy. I'm a little all white here, right? It's like in a matter of the season, we're gonna all white.
All white.
All white. In a matter of the season. So we're just gonna be here chilling.
Okay, now I think I wanna buy the Sony.
The Sony? No, Tamara, you don't need to buy. You're just gonna buy it to buy it, but you know you don't need it.
Your quality is good.
Yeah, you know you're not gonna need it. Like honestly, you don't need to buy it. You see, if I bought this one before I bought that one, then again I would still probably have it. I like.
She's like, I should do it, but
you know what? You're gonna do it anyway. But if it was between, you've had the G7X before, haven't you?
Yeah, and I hate it.
Yeah, but you like the Sony better than the G7X. So if you want something just small, like if you like when we were on a trip and sometimes you can't bother with a bag of
The only thing I don't like with the.
It is. It's really good. Yeah.
This one is my favorite. This is there.
You can't have it in a collection.
This is the
in a collection. Okay, no, you don't have everything.
I'm sorry, the deck. Oh, the deck. Okay, gotcha.
Let's see if I can say hi.
Okay, wait, you got variety.
Guys, say hi.
Hey, Morgan. Hi, Morgan.
Are y'all all like filming for TikTok?
Oh no.
No, YouTube. Yeah.
I was like, what's happening?
All the cameras came out all at once.
I was like, oh Lord.
They all came out. But yeah, that's what we're doing for tonight. My camera like, come over here, Stubble. What's the birthday girl?
So did you guys see the menu?
Yeah, we saw the menu. We're ready. We're ready, girl. We are ready.
That type of energy.
Yeah.
The menu's right here.
Oh, drink menu. Okay.
Great. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have fun tonight.
Oh, a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Oh my.
You know what I was saying? Oh my gosh, girl.
What is it, Libra?
Yeah, Libra.
That's so nice.
Thank you. But tonight I feel like it's gonna be very busy in the club that we're going.
Because it's Nigerian independence.
For her, right?
Oh my god. You do try and pass, you get them right sometimes. The boss like, no, do it for me.
Yeah, I know.
Don't you have them, those little square lights, don't you? But about 4 of them plus a ring light.
I don't know where your phone is. I really know where mine is. She's like anything but the
I think the Airy has Do you have it? Oh, here it is.
Oh, Mooch. But I couldn't tell.
What is it about the flash?
Steak.
What I could try. Wait, but chewing, you know? That would be lovely. Thank you.
Same one?
It is good.
What's it called?
Blue Hawaiian.
Whatever it is.
I like, that's me. That is so me. If I'm gonna get wine.
Yeah. No,
some type of mustard or something.
That's ideal. I didn't see it on the menu, so whatever is sweet enough.
Where I went? I went to this restaurant in Ritz-Carlton. They had this wine. It was white wine, but it was red, and it was so freaking good. It's white wine because I asked him for a sweet wine, but it was red. But yeah, but Simba said it's probably the type of grape that they use in it or something. But it was so good. I didn't even ask him the name. What is that, honey?
Something mozzarella.
Yeah, that sounds tasty. It sounds like clogged arteries, but I haven't. That's a lot of cheese.
Like a one bite. That's what
Thank you. Thank you. Is this raw bacon?
It is cooked prosciutto.
I cannot. I cannot. I wish I was here.
Right? It look, I got to it tastes good. I like it better than the blue cheese thingy, but yeah. Yeah, it tastes really good. And even though it's cheese in it, it doesn't taste like cheese.
He does look older, I would say. He doesn't look out.
That was Should have kept 2 bites. One more for me. One five. One thing though, they gonna look. They gonna look. Every time they pass, yeah.
So we're looking at mac and cheese.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, yeah, they can leave the table lean bad. No matter how much you try to leave it. It's like a lean with it. It's rough with it.
Just till the end.
Right? So.
Oh my god.
Let's do it one time.
Actually, I'm gonna buy one for her. Well, I only use a Sunday. A7 something. The 50, is it the so I like that one? Yeah, that's the one I use, but I'm trying to change it. But it's very the G Master and all them things. I'm just like, I cannot. I like this offer.
I'm come up and stuff.
I know.
Everyone is like vlogging, getting the content. Getting the content.
Get me ready to sing.
Since I'm ready for this food though. Can I have this food though?
Ready?
Oh no! Thank you so much. No one's there. No one's there.
This is birthday girl.
Yeah, no problem. This is birthday girl.
You can sit wherever you want. We just want to make sure you get the right seat.
This
Wherever you want to sit.
Yeah, I'm having done that.
Yeah.
Okay. And there you go.
I'm kind of like,
Are you in your mom's door?
I just want to say thank you guys for coming down. I appreciate it. Everybody stick to the dress code. Everybody's amazing. We all know the trials and tribulations it took to get here. But I'm so thankful you guys so much. I'm happy that I'm celebrating my birthday with all of you guys. Don't cry! No tears. But to many more memories and years filled with blessings and love. I'm so thankful for everybody around me. And yes.
Right now, everybody inside. We're repping the motherland.
Today is a gloomy, super gloomy type of day. But anyways, I just did a video on this hair and I'm absolutely loving the bob. Like, the bob is giving. My head is looking kind of square because my cornrows need to be redone, but y'all don't judge me on that, please. So what we're gonna do today, I got some new chairs for my dining table. Well, I already had some, like I bought 4, and then I realized that, you know what, the table is big enough, why didn't I get 6? And then it was sold out. Then I got it open box from Wayfair. Then some pieces were missing, so they had to send me a brand new box of items, which worked out great because I got brand new items for the price of the open box. So I ain't go front, and because I have an extra chair, I'm gonna use it for my recording room. So I'm like, win-win for me. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna assemble that chair. Some of the stuff you've already seen, like you've already seen my couch in the old space. So this living room is a bit tighter than the one that I had before. It's more narrow than my over the balcony style living room that we had. We got a electric fireplace over here, and y'all already know my tall mirror. You know this mirror already. So it's basically just everything I already had in this new space, and it also saved me money from buying new furniture. Like, all my furniture is good, so I'm not changing much of anything. Now the only thing that I did change was get a new dining set. So this is my dining set. This is gonna be my dining area. So I'm working on it right now. I feel like I'm gonna put like a window mirror right here, and then either a black pampas grass feather thingamajig or a actual plant. Like, I got a whole vision for it that I'm working on. Now don't mind this over here because I'm gonna switch these things. This is what it's working with right now, but I'm gonna get little stuff to put on there, decor pieces, but this is what we're working with right now. So these are the chairs from Wayfair. Love them, they're so chic and nice. And then I got my little pumpkins in the center, and I'm gonna get another vase for the center of the table. I had one before, but I switched it to my living room because I liked it better there, so I'm gonna get one for here. And this is the chairs. So I got 4 of them first, and then I already explained the extra one, then a missing piece. So this is our box, and I think I'm gonna assemble it myself instead of waiting for Simba to do it. A girl knows how to do her own shit, you feel me? I know how to do my own itch. This whole space is open concept, which I absolutely love, and I love all the natural lighting that's coming in. It's gloomy today, so it looks kind of dark, but on a regular day, so bright. Then I got my little latte coffee area right there, knife set, yada 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 yada. I got soy sauce, vinegar, oil, and then my utensils. We got our stove over here. We got a microwave here, like, because this place doesn't come with, you know, like the microwave installed up here, but I prefer this because I like that the fan is up here and the light and everything, so I prefer this. I just don't know where to put my microwave, and I don't want it to stay here. I was thinking of installing it up here, but I don't know, I feel like the microwave is too heavy, so I feel like I might replace the microwave, get something stainless steel, and then try to put it somewhere where it flows better into the kitchen. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with my ever faithful microwave. So we got the fridge here and everything, and yeah, that's basically it. I got some sitting stools, counter stools. Also, I got this installed, loved it until I went to Home Depot yesterday and I saw this beautiful square hanging light fixture, and I'm like, oh, I need that. I'm gonna return this. Either I'm gonna return it or I'm gonna switch it to here and then get that hanging box one, because it's so freaking so elegant, so nice. So I think I'm gonna change it and all that jazz. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is a nail day. I'm about to get my nails refilled, and I'm thinking I want to do black. I don't know, I've been feeling for black, so we're gonna change it. One of my stones fell off. Like, the nails doesn't look that bad. I was gonna wear it for like a week and a half more, but I can't be walking around with my nails like this, so we're gonna change it, and that's the vibe for today. So this is my little nail day outfit. It's gloomy as heck outside. We have some denim jeans. I got this sweatshirt from Simba. It's a Howard official sweatshirt, okay, even though I didn't go to Howard. I wish. And then I have my what's this called, Marc Jacobs tote, and we are ready to go. I'm trying to find this vase. I don't see it anymore. I'm gonna get this from my basket. I need some wine. I can't find
the vase that I saw last week. It's gone. I'm trying to get a bin for my laundry room. I don't know if I want something small or should I get something like this. It's for $16. I like this. It's little and cute. It's just for like lint and stuff. Y'all, look at this. I think it would be perfect in my bathroom. I could put like my face products in there and little towels and a little candle. Like, it is so cute. Did I even look at the price to see how much it is? It's $19. I really came in here for one thing and I can't find the one thing that I actually came for, and I'm getting everything else that I did not come in here for. Ooh, I like this, and it spins, but there's no bamboo in my kitchen. It's black, white, silver, gray, and gold, every other color but this. But I like this. I don't know what I would put on it, so I'm not gonna get it because it's not necessary. I want this in black. It's $10. I think I'm gonna get this one. I don't know how big they are though. Yeah, look who I found.
Uber driver.
My Uber. Hey, girl, don't you know you're supposed to wear the telfar on the other side?
Listen, I was rushing. Okay.
Like, why is your telfar sign hidden? Girl, get it together. Get it together. Okay, so I'm gonna get this stuff. I can't find a vase that I actually came in here for, and then I'm going to get wine and you can drop me home.
Let's go to the bedroom section first.
The bedroom? Oh, I was saying that you needed to come in here. I don't think I'm gonna get this anymore. I'm hungry. Can you look how much that gray bin is for? This is $60 and $99. Which one do you like better? This is for the laundry room. Oh.
Let's go to the bedroom section. Come.
So you can't go to the bedroom section by yourself? Well, look, there's something for the people in cheer. She could have got this here instead of on Wayfair, because my Wayfair I only have one night stand. It's $300. This is on $99. Cause I get two.
Thing.
Huh?
Same thing.
For one.
Yeah.
And the same thing for two. And even the lamp cheaper in Home Sense. But I bought that years ago. We're looking for throw.
I think I'm gonna change my bed sheets to white.
I think so too, but I don't know if you'll keep it clean.
This look like.
Look at these. This would be cute to throw against your bed.
From me, right?
Yeah, girl. What am I going to pink something there?
How much is it?
34.
Is that good?
Yeah. Ooh, I said I wasn't going to buy any more throws, but this would look nice and I leave it down.
Don't we have a yellow one already?
Yeah, but it's something there. Yeah, buy that. Come here. I don't have the money for buy that, you know. I never come in here for shop for you. Oh, you look cute though. And I said nothing else. I wonder how much of them trees. Right, none of them trees. Look at artificial trees.
But where the white sheets at?
Like, I buy my white sheets on Amazon. Like, really comfy.
Good for now, you know?
You're good for now? I want some feet shoes. Back of my wig got scratched me. You don't even see my fingernail. Shen, did you see my nails? You like them? Let me show you guys my nails.
They look really nice.
Thank you.
You didn't do them?
As in, thank you. It's my design. Come, girly.
This one that you found off another girl.
Off Pinterest, bitch.
That was very vulgar and unnecessary.
I need a I might care. I don't know. I have to see all these things looking at my bathroom and decide if I'm gonna keep them or not. I wanted another like little thingy magic for go up on the thing in the kitchen, the dining room. I hate this girl.
Girl, I don't know what you're talking about.
The thing, the stand. The stand. All right, forget you.